Hello students, welcome to online English class. Now look at the picture. What do you guess from the picture? It perhaps the running track of any athletic race, and someone is helping another athlete to get up. Now let us read more to know about this picture. Today we shall going to discuss session 4, that means tell piece of the follow-up lesson, the Olympic dogs, the Olympic champion and the dogs. Now close your books and listen what I read. Rio athletes embody Olympic spirit during mid-race fall. Similar spirit was shown by two athletes, Hamlin of New Zealand and D'Agostino of America. Hamlin tripped and fell on Agostino. Agostino, instead of running, helped Hamlin get up. After some time, Agostino fell down. Hamlin helped her to get up. Then both ran together to the finishing point. For showing the Olympic spirit, both are given Olympic Fair Play Award, the only award of its kind in this Olympics. Now open your book at page 66 and follow what I read, and we shall discuss line by line. Rio athletes embody Olympic spirit during mid-race fall. Here embody means include. Bhagavad Gita has embodied with so many moral teachings. Similarly, many principles of Hinduism have been embodied in Buddhism. Here embody means include. Rio athletes embody Olympic spirit during mid-race fall. That means the athletes of Rio Olympics embodied, that means they set an example, new example, they set new things in the Olympic spirit. They embody Olympic spirit. In the Olympic history, they set new things. Now let us read what the things they added. Similar spirit was shown by two athletes. Here spirit means feeling. We should play with athlete spirit. We should play with athletic spirit. Similar spirit was shown by two athletes. That means in the previous discussion we have discussed that DPS, the sculling champion of Australia, had shown a spirit. He helped to save the lives of the ducks and ducklings instead of bothering about his victory. That was a spirit, and he was appreciated by all the people of the city or the country of Netherlands. That was one exemplary spirit. Similar spirit was done and was shown by two athletes. Similar spirit was shown by two athletes, Hamlin of New Zealand and D'Agostino of America. That means New Zealand athlete Hamlin and American athlete Agostino, they both unitedly show an Olympic spirit which was embodied in Olympic game. Hamlin tripped and fell on Agostino. Hamlin tripped. Here tripped means to hit down on foot. Tripped. Hamlin tripped and fell on Agostino. Hamlin stumbled and fell on Agostino. Agostino, instead of running, helped Hamlin to get up. If any other person, then when when Hamlin tripped and fell on Agostino, if Agostino was any other person, then he must ran to the finishing point to come out successful. But instead of running helped Hamlin to get up. He did not run to the finishing point. He helped Hamlin to get up. Then after some time Agostino fell down. Hamlin helped her to get up. As Hamlin as Agostino helped Hamlin to get up, similarly Hamlin helped Agostino to get up. They both helped each other. Then both ran together to the finishing point. Here together means unitedly. Here together means unitedly. We should work together against COVID. Then finishing means goal. The goal, that means the point which was scheduled to touch for athletes. Get up after some time. Agostino fell down. Hamlin helped her to get up. They both ran together to the finishing point. For showing the Olympic spirit, here spirit means feeling. We should play with athletic spirit. Both are given Olympic Fair Play Award, the only award of its kind in this Olympics. The only award of its kinds. That means this type, never before such type of award was given to anyone. This ends the online class. Thank you.